No, guys, it is not an April Fool's joke. I do believe that Chainlink is going to $100 in April, guys. It was not just clickbait. I am fully bullish with Chainlink, guys. As you see here, today we have had a bit of a mini breakout in Chainlink, guys. We did go up to over $31 earlier, guys. We have just come back down now to around about the $30.50 mark at the moment. So what I'm looking at the moment, I think we need to see Chainlink break over the $32 mark. I believe then we were going to see we could see a massive push, guys, for the Oracle of Oracles, Chainlink, our Stinky Linky, our Fend. So yeah, here we go, guys. Really bullish day for Chainlink. I do believe that it is possible, guys. By the end of April, I am expecting to see possibly a 3 and a bit X on this coin to push us into that 3-digit territory of $100. That has been projected by a lot of people, guys, for a long time now, and I think we're on the cusp of it now as well. Also, guys, what a day for Tezos. Tezos, guys. We've had a nice little breakout as well for Tezos today. As you can see, we're on a bullish trend here. Let's have a look at the 3 monthly, guys, here for Tezos. It's been a bit choppy, as you can see. We had highs back here of $5.53 back in February, and today we have gone back up to $5.33. So are we going to go into price discovery, everyone, here with Tezos? As you can see, it's been chopping up and down for a while, and we could go into price discovery, guys. We're literally like 20 cents away from price discovery now, and all-time highs there. Looking very bullish at the moment, guys. All season fully underway now. Tezos looking great. As you can see, everyone, the Bitcoin dominance has dropped down to 58%. I believe CoinGecko at the moment is showing about 56 point something. It's a bit of a fluctuation between the two conflicting sites there, but things are looking great, guys. Really bullish on Chainlink. Also, with the news of Grayscale as well, buying today is absolutely I reckon it's going to pump our Stinky Linky friend, guys. Anyway, 332 subscribers, guys. Thank you very much for your support. And appreciate all the new subscribers. If you're new to the channel, guys, thanks for coming and taking a look. And if you're a returning viewer, much appreciate you coming back to have a look at more of my videos, everyone. Right, okay. Cointelegraph today. We have a story I just wanted to show you here, guys. Okay. Total crypto market capitalization post new all-time high of 1.9 trillion. Total market cap briefly surpassed that of Saudi Aramco. Amid another bullish trend on cryptocurrency markets, total crypto market capitalization has broken a new historical record, just under 2 trillion, guys. We can smash that 2 trillion. That is that's a great landmark. A great landmark for the crypto market total currency. According to data from major crypto monitoring resources like CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap, the total market cap reached as high as 1.99 trillion earlier on the day, hitting a new all-time record. There we go, guys. On the chart here, just literally a fraction short of the 2 trillion, guys. Absolutely brilliant. Insane. Everything is going absolutely ballistic, guys. Brilliant news there. Okay, let's have a look at the charts, everyone. And as we see, Bitcoin still about to break through that $60,000 there, guys. As we speak, Ethereum is just over $10 away from breaking through the 2K mark. Nice pump today. Binance Coin absolutely flying as well here, up to $330 there. Nice little move for Polkadot. Litecoin, small moves there for them. Chainlink, guys, here we go. $30.46. As I said, I'm looking for that $32 mark now. I believe after that we can shoot up anywhere from there. Absolutely insane news. Tezos down still again today. Pumps for Stellar. I had somebody asking me in the comment section the other day about Stellar. Yeah, I do think it's a great coin. I do like Stellar. I am holding a decent bag of Stellar. I also had somebody ask me about XRP. I'm not holding any XRP myself. The whole reason, well, not the whole reason, but you know, some of the reason I basically got into crypto was to get away from the dirty fiat system. I don't like the fiat system at all. And I look at XRP as a bit of a banker's coin, connected to the banking industry, guys. So I'm not bullish on that at all. I'm hoping to get away from the whole fiat system, where we're all held to ransom every time we get paid. We're ordered to pay taxes. I look at it as more of a ransom than anything else. It's nothing but legalized and controlled mafia, modern day mafia to me, the taxes. The government say you've got to pay it and you've got no choice. There's nothing you can do. So you've got to make yourself 100K in crypto. Thank you very much. We'll take 20K of that off you. You know, you sell a house that you've worked hard for all your life, capital gains tax. You know, you inherit some money, someone's worked hard their life for, inheritance tax. It's nothing but corruption, guys. It's nothing but corruption. And you know, it's just absolutely insane how modern day mafia works. But that's what it is, and that's why I'm not bullish on XRP. Quite simply, quite frank, dirty fiat, guys. Let's go crypto. Let's go Bitcoin. Let's live. Let's go to the restaurants with Bitcoin. Let's go and buy houses. Let's go and pay for our fuel in Bitcoin and get away from that whole Federal Reserve, you know, corruption that we've been experiencing for God knows how long. So I want to show another coin, guys, today that was brought to my attention by a Kryptonian friend of mine. A shout out to Ashley out there, man, if you're watching. And the coin that was brought to my attention, I have heard of, don't know a great deal about, guys, and this is Ramp. And I've had a look at it. You know, somebody said to me, you know, take a look at this coin, so I did. You know, it's not one that I've really ever looked at, but I thought I will, and it's 73 cents. And at the moment, it is ranked just up above the 300 rankings, guys, in the crypto markets. Now, I do like this. It's a DeFi coin. You all like DeFi, obviously. It's a Polkadot. It's built on Polkadot. Really bullish on Polkadot, as you know. Solano as well. It's a Binance Smart Chain coin. And it's trading. It's a market cap of 170, just under 172 million. Anyone that's been following my channel know that I like that. I like the range between that 1 and 500 million market cap. Those are the coins that I look for plenty of room for movement, 10, 20x potential in that kind of 100 to 500 million market cap range, guys. It's moved a bit late recently as well. We'll have a look on the bigger chart in a second, guys. But yeah, it's on them. It's on Binance. You know I love Binance, guys. If it's on Binance, I'm gonna get myself a bag, right? It's on Uniswap. It's on the 0x protocol as well. But as long as it's on Binance, you know, it's worth taking a look at, in my opinion. Right, so what is Ramp, guys? Okay, briefly. Okay, so let's take a look at what Ramp is. Ramp is a decentralized protocol that intends to boost DeFi adoption by allowing non-Ethereum ETH users to stake tokens on ETH platforms. At the same time, Ethereum users can interact with the Ramp protocol to increase their yield and increase their yields. So it allows the staked capital of non-ERC staking blockchain to be collateralized, so a bit of a cross-chain thing going on here, into a stablecoin known as RUSD that is issued on the Ethereum blockchain. Okay, guys, so yeah, okay, sounds good. Founders of Ramp, Lawrence Lim and Lo Zheng Rong. Before Ramp, Lim was the head of international growth at IOS and handled global sales at TradeGecko. So, and what makes it unique is the efficiency power token exchanges between blockchain systems. The network takes advantage of liquidity on-off ramp designs within this framework. The tokens that use a non-Ethereum standard are first converted into stablecoins called RUSD for use on the Ethereum blockchain. You can also use it in Ramp's liquidity pool. Always good to have a liquidity pool going on, guys. It's great. That's a great fundamental to have actually as well. So, how many are there? So, it's around 176 million as of February of this year, with a maximum supply of 1 billion Ramp coins. So, I said you can buy it on the good exchanges, guys. It's on the big ones there. Well worth looking at. Just want to bring this onto your radar, and let's have a look at the let's have a look at a bit of the technicals, shall we, for Ramp here in a minute on the USD. And okay, let's pick it up, guys, on the 3 monthly. Here we go. Okay, so we had a high up here of okay, so it's hit over $1, guys. We're looking to break out to $1 for the all-time highs here, give or take. At the moment, we're back down 73 cents. Okay, so we had a bit of a correction here. Let's pick back up again. It's one that I look at, guys. Yeah, it's one that I definitely take a look at. You know, it's got it's promising. It looks good. I like the look of it. I think Ethereum, guys, as well at the moment. Let's have a look at Ethereum quickly, shall we, before we go as well. I'm really I think Ethereum is going to lead this cycle soon. There we go. So we are looking to break through that 2,000 resistance as we speak, guys. I think over the Easter weekend, a lot of YouTubers are calling it Easter. Easter. Different, guys, different. Easter. You may have heard that from a couple of YouTubers. Easter. So here we go. We're going to pop it, guys. ETH is going to lead the run then. We're going to go on to 2.5, 3K, guys, aren't we? Absolutely insane. Right. I hope you're all good, guys. Hope everyone's well. Let me know what you're buying. Did you buy any of the coins I recommended the last few days? Are you with me on Link, or I'm on the Hopium? I do believe Link is a 3-digit coin. April, maybe going into May at the latest. And I feel the same about Polkadot as well. I think we're going to break out of Polkadot, guys, too. So let me know what your plans are, guys, for you going shopping before the big pumps happen. Let me know in the comment section down below, guys. If you like my channel, please like and subscribe. It's much appreciated. Remember, at 500, we get a new mic, we get a new webcam. Excited, guys. Get a haircut in a few weeks as well. Can't wait. Absolutely buzzing. I've never been so excited about getting a haircut. Right. Thanks for watching, guys. And remember, there is no reason not to hold crypto. Get rid of that dirty fiat, guys. Get rid of the corruption. Let's stop funding wars. Let's stop funding corruption by governments, by giving them our money, our hard-earned money, and saying, right, we want 20% of that. We'll take it off you. Daylight robbery, guys. Absolute mafia. Pure mafia. Right, thanks for watching, guys. Bristol Crypto Craig checking out. And I'll be back with you tomorrow. Peace out. Look after each other, guys. Keep stacking these bags. It's the bull run. We're on the run.